Viking settlements. Jorvik was a Viking settlement in what is now called Yorkshire. Its capital city was modern-day York, and it was controlled by Viking warrior kings. Archaeologists have spent a lot of time excavating sites in this area, and their findings tell us a lot about what life was like in a Viking settlement. Houses. The houses in Jorvik were usually rectangular. They were just 1 story high and had thatched roofs. To create walls, wooden posts were first stuck in the ground. Then, thin strips of flexible willow shoots were tightly woven in and out between the posts. Most Viking houses had just 1 room where everyone ate, slept, worked and played. At the centre of every building was a fire pit. This was important for keeping warm and for cooking. A small hole in the roof above allowed the smoke to escape. There was no special flooring, just mud trampled flat over time. Heather and bracken have been discovered in Jorvik, and archaeologists think this could have been used as bedding. Some houses also had mud benches along the inside walls. At night, these might have been used as beds. It would certainly have been more comfortable than the hard floor. Crafts and trades. Streets and marketplaces were full of craftspeople and traders. Using raw materials from surrounding countryside, Viking craftspeople made all kinds of useful, interesting and beautiful objects. These included iron tools, gold, silver and copper jewellery, leather shoes, bags and belts, combs made of bone and antlers, and woolen clothing. Food. Huge pits were dug to get rid of waste. Looking at the remains in these pits, including plenty of fossilised poo, archaeologists have found evidence that a Viking diet included plants, wheat, barley, bilberries, walnuts, beans, cherries, sloes, dill, celery, and linseed oil.